Welcome to Epic World History Challenge. We have 20 questions for you today. Think you can get them all? Let's go. Question number 1. What civilization is known for the creation of the first known code of laws around 1754 BC? The answer is Babylon. Question number 2. Which empire was known for its powerful navy and the establishment of the Delian League? The answer is Athens. Question number 3. Who was the ruler of the Byzantine Empire during the Nika riots? The answer is Justinian I. Question number 4. Which famous battle in 1066 marked the beginning of Norman conquest of England? The answer is Hastings. Question number 5. What was the name of the trade route that connected the East and West, crucial during the Han Dynasty? The answer is Silk Road. Question number 6. Who was the famous military leader that crossed the Alps with elephants during the Second Punic War? The answer is Hannibal. Question number 7. Which empire was defeated at the Battle of Lepanto in 1571? The answer is Ottoman. Question number 8. Which treaty ended the 30 Years' War in 1648? The answer is Westphalia. Question number 9. Who was the last emperor of the Western Roman Empire? The answer is Romulus Augustulus. Question number 10. Which civilization created the Machu Picchu complex in the 15th century? The answer is Inca. Question number 11. What was the name of the treaty that officially ended World War I in 1919? The answer is Versailles. Question number 12. Who was the first emperor of the Holy Roman Empire, crowned in 800 AD? The answer is Charlemagne. Question number 13. Which ancient civilization is credited with developing one of the earliest writing systems, called hieroglyphs? The answer is Egypt. Question number 14. Which event marked the beginning of the French Revolution in 1789? The answer is Bastille. Question number 15. What ancient city was buried under volcanic ash in 79 AD? The answer is Pompeii. Question number 16. Who founded the Mongol Empire and became its great Khan in 1206? The answer is Genghis Khan. Question number 17. Which city was the capital of the Aztec Empire? The answer is Tenochtitlan. Question number 18. What was the primary religion of the Persian Empire before the rise of Islam? The answer is Zoroastrianism. Question number 19. Which battle in 732 halted the Muslim advance into Western Europe? The answer is Tours. Question number 20. Which ancient Greek philosopher was sentenced to death by hemlock poisoning? The answer is Socrates. That's it for today. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more quizzes.